सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सहना भवतु, सहनौ भुनक्तु, सह वीर्यं करवावहै, तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नाम रूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धिर्दृग्यत्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्तवेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं न मत्तोऽन्यदिति मे निश्चितामतिः। So we are seeing the answer given by the Guru to the doubt raised by the Shishya. The doubt raised by Shishya is that if Guru and Vedanta, if they are unreal, how can remove the problem of samsara? Like mirage water cannot remove my thirst. Similarly, this Guru Vedanta, if they are unreal, they cannot remove my samsara. For that answer is given that in Advaita Vedanta, Guru and Vedanta are accepted to be mithya, unreal. We don't have any compunction. Oh, how can I call my Guru to be mithya? Mithya doesn't have any value statement. It is not like he is reflecting that this person is good or not. We think that the mithya means a bad person. A good thing also is mithya. It is not that only wrong thing only are mithya. People think to call someone as mithya is something degrading the person. We say that the most excellent thing and the worst thing, both of them can have mithya status. So mithya status should not be connected with the goodness or the not goodness or some evil nature. There is no such thing. So if somebody tells your body is mithya, you should not feel bad. Oh, you are calling my body, your body is mithya. Suppose somebody says. So we should not feel bad. Or he said your guru is mithya. So how are you calling my guru is mithya? Your guru is mithya, my guru is not mithya. There should not be some emotional issue brought in that. When we are analyzing the fact, that time this emotion should be kept aside. Like the scientist, when he is analyzing what is called biologist. So he is analyzing, suppose a cell from his wife body. He is not that my wife body cell cannot be like this. That also can have. In that, emotionality should not be brought in. So here when we say Vedanta says that Guru and this Vedanta are mithya, we are not downgrading the Guru and Vedanta. So in our mind, because of some particular samskara, we may think mithya means false. If somebody tells you are a false fellow, suppose, so we feel bad, no? You are false. Jhutha aadmi. So we feel bad. Therefore, in our mind, false is and mithya are synonyms. And therefore, what we think false means a person who is doing a fraud, person who is telling lies. So that is how we think. And therefore, we have some resistance, emotional resistance. But we are here purely talking in ontological terms. Ontology means this status of reality, the discipline of knowledge dealing with the reality. And therefore, Vedanti's stand is Guru Vedanta as Guru Vedanta are mithya. Guru Vedanta also are Brahman. So Guru Vedanta as Brahman Satyam, Guru Vedanta as Guru Vedanta mithya. And that can be said with reference to everything. Clip as clip, mithya. Clip as Brahman, Satya. Everybody, the person whom you like or the person whom you don't like, person whom you consider very good person and person whom you consider the worst person in the world, both of them as person they are mithya, as Brahman they are Satya. Alright, so our Vedanti stand is all are unreal. Vedanta, Guru, all unreal. Then question is, then how can they remove this samsara? For that our answer is that samsara also is mithya. So mithya samsara can be removed by mithya Vedanta Guru. In fact, we take a stronger stand. Mithya samsara can be removed only by mithya Guru Vedanta. If it was a real Guru Vedanta, we will not be able to remove. By real Brahma, this mithya samsara cannot be removed. And therefore, here the answer given is that since Vedanta and Guru and samsara, they have same degree of reality, and between the things of same degree of reality alone can have sadhaka badhaka sambandha. Sadhaka means supporter or producer, and badhaka means the remover. The friendly relationship of producing something or inimical relationship of destroying something, both are possible between the two things which have got same degree of reality. Therefore, mithya samsara can be removed by mithya Guru alone. In that there is no problem. That was this Guruji told in so many ways, same idea differently presented. But main thing is this, that sadhaka badhaka sambandha is only between the things of same degree of reality, and samsara and Guru Vedanta have got same degree of reality. Therefore, this Guru Vedanta, even though mithya, they can remove the samsara because samsara is mithya. That was the answer given. Now, in the Tippani we were seeing, the Tippani, the doubt was raised. The Tippani was there on the Samasatta yayoho parasparam satta samana tayoho eva parasparam sadhakata badhakata. So those two things which have got same degree of reality alone can have the relationship being supporter supported or remover removed. For that Shanka was raised. What is the Shanka? That atra evam Shanka bhaved. We had not read this now. They up to this, huh? First paragraph. Yeah, correct. Atra evam Shanka bhaved. With regard to this particular statement, atra means atra uktau yayoho parasparam satta samana tayoho eva parasparam sadhaka tava badhaka tava bhavati iti uktau evam Shanka. The doubt of this kind bhave, there would be. What? Samasatta kayo eva parasparam sadhaka badhaka bhava iti niyama nasti. That rule is not there. Why? Because Vishama Satta kayo api kvachit sadhaka badhaka bhava drishyate. He said, in some places, the two things of different degree of reality also have got the sadhaka sadhya badhaka badhya sambandha. How? He says, sarvatra adhishthanasya sattapekshaya aropyasya satta vishamayeva. In all cases, the existence of the superimposed is different from the existence of the adhishthanam. And atha aropya atha api aropyasya adhishthanam sadhakam bhavati. That is one point. That is building up his case. First point is that the existence of aropya is different from the existence of adhisthana. Point number one. Second point is atha and aropyasya adhishthanam sadhakam bhavati. Adhishthanam is the producer, contributor, supporter to the aropya. Second point. And that let us see in the example. Kalpita rajatasya adhishthanam shuktihi. The adhishtanam of the superimposed the silver is Shukti, shell. Shuktehe satta vyavahariki. The existence of Shukti, the shell, is empirical. Kalpita rajatasya satta pratibhasiki. The existence of the superimposed silver is pratibhasiki, subjective. Tadrisha rajatasya sadhakatvam shuktovasti and karanatvam shuktovasti. In the shell there is a status of being the supporter, the causal status with regard to the silver is there. Means Shukti, which is Vyavaharika, is the cause for this Pratibhasika Rajata. Kincha, this is one example. Now we say Dashtanta also. Kincha, moreover, Jagataha Adhishtanam Brahma. You have been telling Rajvam Bhujangam eva Pratibhasitam vai Pratar Namami Tamasah Paramarka Varnam Rajvam Bhujangam eva Pratibhasitam vai. So Jagataha Adhishtanam Brahma. And Brahmani Paramarthiki Satta Asti. In Brahma there is absolute existence. Jagati tu Vyavahariki Satta. In the world there is empirical existence. And Vyavaharika Satta ka Jagataha Sadhakatvam Brahmani Asti. The status of being the cause for the empirical world is there in Brahma. Tasmat, therefore, Vishama Sattakam api Sadhakam Bhavati. Therefore, anything which is having different existence, different degree of reality, can also become the sadhaka for a thing which is having different degree of reality. So in Drishtanta, the Rajata and Shukti. Rajata has got the Pratibhasiki Satta, then Shukti has got Vyavaharika Satta. Still, the Shukti is becoming the sadhaka for the Rajata, Pratibhasika Rajata. So, your rule that two things having the same degree of reality can have sadhakatva sambandha is not correct, because we are showing the violation of the rule. In this case, where empirical shell is the cause for the subjectively real silver, and therefore your rule is violated. That is one. Sadhakatva is violated. Now he tells another one. Badhakatva also is violated. You said Badhakatvam is there only between the entities of the same degree of reality. He said not necessary. I will show you. Apicha, moreover, Antakarana Vritti Rupa Shukti Yatharthya Jnanena Rajata Tad Jnanayoho Badha Bhavati. Apicha means moreover, Antakarana Vritti Rupa Shukti Yatharthya Jnanena. By the knowledge of the true nature of Shukti, which is Antakarana Vritti Rupa, which is in the form of the thought of the mind. Here Antakarana Vritti, the adjective is used to show that it is a Vyavaharika. So the knowledge of the Shukti, the shell, is Vyavaharika. It is empirical. And by that empirical knowledge of the shell, Badha Bhavati, there is negation of Rajata Taddanayo. Arthadhyasak Dhanadhyasa. By the knowledge of the shell, there is negation of the silver and silver cognition. Means what? When you come to know that what is there is the shell only, when you get this knowledge, the Rajata also is gone. Rajata Jnanam also is gone. Tatra, and in that case, Rajata Taddhanayoho Satta Pratibhasiki. The existence of the silver and its cognition is Pratibhasik, is subjectively real, apparent, whereas Shukti Yatharthya Jnanasya tu Satta Vyavahariki. Whereas the knowledge, the existence of or the reality of the knowledge of the Shukti, the shell, is Vyavahariki, is empirical. Why it is empirical? Because Shukti Yatharthya Jnanam is Antakarana Vritti Rupa, and Antakarana is a Vyavaharika. Therefore, Antakarana Vritti Rupa Shukti Jnanam has got Vyavahariki Satta, empirical existence. Ataha cha Vishama Sattakam api Badhakam Bhavati. Therefore means, because of this observation, That Rajata Shukti Jnanam is removing the Rajata Jnanam and Rajata. Therefore, Vishama Sattakam, anything which is having different degree of reality, also can become Badhaka, remover. So by Api, what is suggested is that the Purupakshi is saying, yes, we do agree that Samasattaka also can have Badhaka. Like fire is burning this fuel. Samasattaka is there. So Samasattaka can have this Badhya Badhaka Bhava. But Vishama Sattaka also can have. That is said here. Tathacha Vishama Sattakayoho Parasparam Sadhaka Badhaka Bhavo Nasti iti niyamaha asangataha iti eva iti. Iti should go with what? Atra evam shanka bhavet. So he said tathacha, and thus from the above discussion we understand what? That your rule that Vishama Sattakayoho Paraspara Sadhaka Badhaka Bhavaha Nasti. Your rule that the two things of different degree of reality cannot have mutual supporter or eliminatorship. That particular rule, iti niyamaha asangataha, means improper alone. Iti shanka. So Purupakshi has said that don't make a rule. Generally it is true that the two things having the same degree of reality can have sadhaka bhava, badhaka bhava. But it's not a must. Anandavan also can do it. Alright. So Vishama Sattakayoho api sadhakatva badhakatva is possible. Atra evam samadhanam bhavati. Atra means with regard to this doubt, evam, in the following manner, samadhanam, the answer bhavati is there. And here two answers will be given. One answer is given here. The next answer is given in the next page. So in fact it is a continuation of the answer. Alright. So first answer is, here let us read what is said here. Kevala shuktihi na rajatasya adhisthana. Mere shukti, mere shell. And by mere, what do we mean? The shukti which is not associated with ajnanam, that shell, rajatasya adhishthanam na, is not the adhishthanam of rajata, silver. So if there is only shell and nobody has got ignorance of the shell, that mere shell which is known, that will not become the adhishthanam of the rajata. If shell is there and you know it is a shell, then it will not become the adhishthanam for this rajata. Nava kevalam brahma is giving the other one which Purupakshi had quoted. In Drishtanta, the mere shukti means not associated with, not conditioned by ignorance. That shukti rajatasya adhishthanam na bhavati. Nava kevalam brahma jagatah adhishthanam. And pure Brahman, and here pure Brahman means what? Maya rahitam Brahma. Maya rahitam Brahma jagatah adhishthanam na, is not the adhishthanam, vivarta upadana karanam, the apparent material cause, it is not. Kintu, but tula vidya sahita shuktihi rajata kalpana adhishthanam. The shukti which is endowed with the tula vidya. Tula vidya means secondary avidya. Is rajata kalpana adhishthanam, is the adhishthanam for the superimposition of the silver. Idea is that if this shell is there and you know that there is a shell, ajnanam is not there, then that shell will not become the adhishthanam for the silver. Similarly, mula, and therefore what we have to say? Ajnana sahita shukti alone, rajata kalpana adhisthana. The shukti has got adhisthanattva only because of tula vidya, not otherwise. Similarly, mula vidya sahitam brahma jagat kalpana adhishthanam. Similarly, Brahman, which is endowed with the Mula Vidya, otherwise called Maya. Mula Vidya means the fundamental ignorance. That Brahman with the Mula Vidya alone, Jagat Kalpanadhishthanam. It is the Adhishthanam of Jagat. Kvachit Visheshanagata Dharmaha Vishisht Apra. And now what he wants to say, that Shukti has got Adhishthanatva because of Avidya, Tula Vidya. And what is the status of Tula Vidya? Tula Vidya is Pratibhasika. Why? Because just as by the Shukti Jnanam Rajata goes away, the Rajata Adhanam also goes away. And whatever can go away by the Shukti Jnanam should be Pratibhasika alone. Because by Shukti Jnanam Rajata, which is Pratibhasika, goes away. Therefore Rajata Adhanam also should be Pratibhasika. Anumanam can be there. The Rajata Jnanam Pratibhasikam Shukti Jnana Nivartyatvat Rajatavat. So Shukti Ajnanam. So Shukti Ajnanam is Pratibhasikam. Why? Because it is removed by the Shukti Jnanam. So Tula Vidya Sahita Shukti alone Rajata Kalpana Vishna. So first we establish that mere Shukti is not Adhishthanam. Tula Vidya Sahita Shukti alone is Adhishthanam. Point number 1. Second is that Tula Vidya means Shukti Ajnana Rupa Vidya is having Pratibhasika status. Why it is Pratibhasika status? Because it is Shukti Jnana Nivartya. Second point. And third point is that since Adhishthanatva status of Shukti is only because of this Tula Vidya, which is Pratibhasika, therefore Adhisthana Bhuta Shukti is Pratibhasika. Mere Shukti is not Pratibhasika, but Adhisthana Bhuta Shukti is Pratibhasika. So that is, similarly, Brahman is Jagata Adhishthanam. But which type of Brahman? Maya Sahitam Brahma is Adhisthana. Maya, what is the status? Vyavaharika status. So Maya has got Vyavaharika status and Brahman becomes Adhisthana only when it is Maya Sahitam. Therefore Maya Sahitam Brahman is what? Vyavaharika only. And therefore Vyavaharika Brahma, Maya Sahita Vyavaharika Brahma, Vyavaharika Maya Sahita Vyavaharika Brahma alone is the Adhishthanam for Vyavaharika Prapancha. And Pratibhasika Ajnana Sahita Shukti alone is the Adhishthanam for Pratibhasika Rajata. And therefore, both of them have same Satta. There is no Vishama Satta. That's what it says. So, a simple answer is this, that Shukti also is Pratibhasika. Which Shukti? Not pure Shukti. Shuktitvena Shukti Vyavaharika. Adhisthanatvavachinna Shukti. And therefore, and you are talking about Adhishthanam only. If you are talking about pure Shukti, then pure Shukti, when Shukti is known as Shukti, then this Rajata itself is not there. Then Rajata Adhishthanatvam, how will it come? Rajata is not there, therefore Rajata Adhishthanatvam does not come in Shukti. And therefore, there is no question of Sadhaka Bhava. Whenever Sadhaka Bhava is there, there is Avidya Sahitatvam. And Avidya Sahitatvam is Pratibhasika. Alright. Are you able to hear? Huh? There is so much sound in it. Now he says, Kvachit Visheshanagata Dharmaha Vishishte api Vyavahriyante. In some places, the adjectives, the qualities obtaining in the adjective, Vishishte api, in the qualified also, Vyavahriyante, are mentioned, are referred to. The qualities of the Visheshana are presented in Vishishta also. Like, person is wearing this yellow shirt, then the person also will be called yellow. All yellow, yellow, yellow people, yellow can go there. So sometimes the Visheshanagata Dharma Vishishta api Vyavariyante. Anena Niyamena, by this rule, Pratibhasika Tula Vidya Sahita Shuktihi, the shell which is endowed with the Avidya, Tula Vidya means secondary Avidya, which is Pratibhasika, that Shukti अथवा शुक्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यम. He goes to that idea that Shukti is Adhishthanam or Shukti avachinna Chaitanyam. He says either you tell Shukti is the Adhishthanam or the Shukti avachinna Chaitanyam. But what type of Shukti avachinna Chaitanyam? Pratibhasika Tula Vidya Sahita Shukti avachinna Chaitanyam. Consciousness conditioned by this Shukti, shell. That is Pratibhasikamiti Varnyate. It is considered to be Pratibhasika. It is not purely Pratibhasika, but it is having the colorization of Pratibhasikatva. They say a person is known by the company he keeps. So whatever company person has, based on that the person will be decided. If you are having a good company, you will be considered a good person. So here this Shuktika is having the company of Pratibhasika Tula Vidya, and therefore the Shukti also as Adhishthanam is Pratibhasika. And Vyavaharika Mula Vidya Avachinnam Brahma Chaitanyam Vyavaharikamiti Abhidhiyate. The Brahma Chaitanyam limitless consciousness which is conditioned by the empirical Mula Vidya is also called Vyavaharikam empirical. यद्यपि अविद्या उपाधि एव, even though avidya is upadhi, na visheshanam, not adjective, athapi even then aviveka drishtau, in the aviveki drishti, not aviveka, aviveki drishtau, in the eyes of, in the understanding of non-discriminative person, visheshanavad upalabhyamanatvat visheshanamapi vyavahriyate. So even though it is upadhi, avidya is upadhi, but in the drishti, in the understanding of aviveki, upadhi itself is referred to as visheshanam. Why? Visheshanavad upalabhyamanatvat, because it is found like visheshana, just as the quality of visheshana is transferred to vishishta, similarly upadehe quality also is transferred to upahita. Therefore upadhi visheshana sometimes are not distinguished. अतः एव अविद्या धर्मभूत प्रातिभासिक सत्ता व्यावहारिक सत्ता वा तद विशेष्य आश्रयभूत शुक्तौ ब्रह्मणि वा व्यवह्रियते. Therefore alone the pratibhasika satta, the subjective reality in the form of avidya dharma, in the form of the quality of avidya or vyavaharika satta, the empirical reality, tad visheshya bhuta shukto, in the shukti, in the shell which is the ashraya of that rajata, or brahmani, in the brahman which is the ashraya of jagat, vyavariyate is referred to. So subjective existence is referred to in the shukti and the empirical existence is referred to in brahma. Tasmat neha vishama sattakam sadakam. Therefore, here in this case, vishama sattakam is not sadakam. The entity having the different degree of reality is not sadakam, is not the supporter or producer. Kintu samasattakam eva sadakam. But the entity having the same degree of reality alone is the supporter. On it. The other one we will see in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Krishna.